Now remember, brows are sisters, not twins. And any person that makes their brows look perfectly the same, they're a witch.
Baby, you can roll.
Hey everybody, it's the fabulous Breezy Van Buren, and we're back again with an updated eyebrow tutorial. Now, I remember when I was going to college, this girl asked me how I did my brows, and I made a video for her. That's still up on YouTube. Don't watch it. So let me just show y'all how I do my brows. Okay, so my brows have natural like marks where the curvature should be. If you can see, that's just always been like that. So I just follow my marks. But there's another way you could tell how to do your brows. You take the end of your nostril and point it straight up. This is where your brow should start. That is where your brow should start. Then you take it, put it at your nostril and at the end of your eye. That is where your brows should end. That's a little tip. So what I do is, I'm dark skinned, so I do use black, but most of the time you're gonna be using brown, or you could do like what I used to do the bottom in black, trace out your line. It don't really have to be neat. It don't really have to be neat. I'm not gonna look for my brown because this is my makeup bag. Not gonna happen. So with that, y'all, I can't find my makeup brushes. And then you go to the top and you trace out the shape you want your top to be. And then you can do a little touch up on the bottom. And then what I like to do is 1, 2, 3, do that. And then that's just shape for your eyebrow. What I do with my fingers is I just blend it. Blend it out. Okay. Now I know y'all probably thinking that look crazy. Of course it looks crazy. So what you're gonna wanna do, I found something. Get your makeup, concealer or whatever. And you don't need a lot, but you need enough. That's how much I'm using. So you take a little bit, get your brush nice and
Oh, damn, what is you doing, baby?
saturated.
What is you doing, damn, baby?
Not too saturated, because if it's too much, you're gonna mess it up. I think this is a blending brush. Like, don't use a blending brush, please. Alright, so now what you're gonna do is you're gonna clean it up. And that's why you're not supposed to be using a blending brush. Come on. And then what I do with the top is I just swipe. And then blend it down. I would take my beauty blender and blend everything. Snatched. Good at my Look at me trying to blend all that damn makeup. It don't even make no sense. I knew it was too. Look, I'm trying to go to the other side. Why? Okay. All right. Okay. I can't find my beauty blender, so I'm using this brush to blend the tragedy. And you just blend it out till it matches. Now, as you can see, it's the glam brows. I'm gonna cover that a little bit. Bam. Then you got Dusty Bitch. And now remember, brows are sisters, not twins. And any person that makes their brows look perfectly the same, they're a witch. Period. Okay, so what I'm doing is just shaping out the bottom, and then I'm shaping out the top. You know, like I said, it don't have to be perfect. And then I'm drawing my lines, then I'm blending it with my finger. And that's what, Now I'm going in with my concealer or foundation, whatever you're using, and I'm cleaning it up again. Then I clean up the top of my swipe. And this whole time I was just complaining about how different this eyebrow looked. Me in the comments like, how you gonna do a tutorial when you don't even know how to do makeup? It was so ugly. This is the ugly sister. I'm like, you right. And I was just blending it. I used way too much again, of course. So I was trying to blend it out. And this is what happens when you use a blending brush instead of an angled liner brush. So please, please, please use an angled liner brush. And as you can see, it's not as precise. Plus, I was having a hard time trying to record in the camera and without a mirror or whatever. And there you go. How to Look Dusty. A tutorial by Breezy Van Buren. We're just not even gonna look at that eyebrow. We're gonna look at this one. And there you go. Please like and subscribe and comment. I don't even know what I'm doing right here. Just click off the video.